Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Those who live an active lifestyle and often like to record themselves doing those things are probably familiar with active cameras like GoPros. Another thing those guys are familiar with is the pain of carrying a bag of all their accessories everywhere. And if you're one of them, then this camera is for you. Besides being dustproof, waterproof up to 30 meters, and having a shatter and drop protection, it's capable of being used on any surface and in any location due to its versatile design. Speaking of versatility, if you've ever tried to buy a Bluetooth speaker, I'm sure you've gotten down the rabbit hole of whether to buy a big one or a small one. Well, no more, because with this magnetic speaker, you can have your cake and eat it too. And besides the options to have a split, single or combined use cases, the magnets serve a secondary purpose by sticking wherever you want. Ever thought a marble track is too simple of a game? Well, prepare to be proven wrong, because this wooden table is a marvel of engineering and planning. And as a bonus, the multiple spirals, chutes and optional paths ensure that you won't get bored, no matter how often you play. Whether you're an aspiring singer, an amateur DJ, or just want to get into the world of sound mixing, the world of audio mixers is extremely daunting. And with so many different options, the prices can get incredibly painful as well. However, using this one small package, you can get access to some of the most necessary functions as well as a few complex ones, meaning you can start on your music journey today with only one purchase. Music, however, is not limited to just the editing and mixing, but the actual production of it is extremely important too. And that's why we think an instrument like the steel tongue drum is a good choice for beginners. From the extremely simple playing mechanism to easy to understand notes and rhythms, if you want to develop an ear and a mind for music, you can't go more right. Let's face it, we've all been there, whether it's finding the right place to put a torch when there's no one else to hold it, or trying to fit a light in a tight space. Something as simple as tightening a screw can become painstaking if you can't find the right light source. Enter the magnetic flashlight. With its tiny size and extremely powerful magnets, not only can professionals get utility out of it, anyone can find it useful every day of their lives. This one goes out to those guys who live in cold areas, because they know firsthand the dilemma of having to wear ugly ice shoes or risking a painful fall if you wear shoes you actually like. However, with this ingenious product, you can add a proper grip to any shoe you like, and best of all, it doesn't require any professional help. In an increasingly digital world, getting the right kind of charging equipment seems to be getting more and more important. And with our cars having a million cables and adapters in every corner, wouldn't it be nice to have a unifying thing? That's where this fast charger comes in, with 2 lighters as well as 2 fast charge USB ports, and most importantly of all, a 65-watt USB Type-C port that can charge a freaking laptop. Now you won't have to shuffle around for your adapters whenever you need to charge something. Those who like a bit of retro flavour but still want a sleek look will love this thing because it simultaneously creates a well-made and awesome-looking USB clock that's somehow based on the digital displays of old. And best of all, when you use, you can't even notice the extra edges. It's been scientifically proven that the best way to learn something is by a hands-on experience instead of just a book. And so, for people who are interested in robotics, such as field kits, this product offers a chance of learning a lot of stuff while having fun. Using the built-in kit, you can create not only your first moving robot, but control and program it however you like. Finally, last but certainly not least, we have one of the most impressive things we've seen: a real-time weather station. Here's what that means. Normally, the weather in your phone and app uses data from one of the local large stations. However, this little guy uses a sensor that you can place outside your home to get the most accurate and instantaneous weather data possible. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.